Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you one of my winter protective styles. I'm leaning towards 4 cornrows so I don't have to do my hair this week and my hair will stay nice and moisturized. It's supposed to get pretty cold where I live, so I want to make sure I lock in all that moisture. So I'm going to get started with my 100% Jamaican black castor oil, and I've told you guys before that I use this for my trouble areas, so I'm just going to rub it on my temples and then start the style. Now that that step is complete, I'm just going to split my hair down the middle and section off one side. So another quick step that I make sure I do, especially in the winter time when my scalp gets super dry, is adding a little oil to my scalp. So this is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Serum. I've talked about this before. I didn't show the other oil, so I'm going to show both of them right now. So I'm just going to take this, put it in my scalp, and then massage it. As you can see, my hair dries pretty quickly. I've been out the shower for almost 20 minutes and the top is completely dry. So I'm definitely going to need to add back in some moisture. So I'm going to first start off by just splitting this section into 2 again. So I'm going to try to make my part as straight as possible. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go like 1 inch back and then start my part, if that makes sense, and kind of make it a triangle. Okay, so after trying to part my hair for way longer than it should have taken, I've got my first section ready to go. So now I'm just gonna prep my hair with all the products that I want to use, and then I'm gonna start to cornrow. So beginning with water, because dry, hot mess, like it's a hot mess. So now that my hair is detangled, I'm going to start with the Eden Body Works All Natural Pudding Souffle. This is a pretty thick product, so I feel like it will definitely give me the moisture that I need. It says it's supposed to add moisture to dry, thirsty tresses. My hair is definitely thirsty. After the All Natural Pudding Souffle is in my hair, I'm going to be going in with the Natural Curl Defining Cream. And if you've watched any of my videos, you know I love this stuff, so whew, I love it. Now that I've put all the moisturizing products in, I'm going to be using the Curls Passion Fruit Curl Control Paste. And I'm just going to put that around the edges, just so I'll have that nice sleek effect when I do braid it. And this step you can definitely skip. It'll still come out fine without doing this. I just like being extra. And finally, just a little Diva Curl Gel for hold. Not much at all because it's not going to be an out style. Then I'm going to grab it and start braiding. Once I finish the braid, I like to add a little bit of curling product. Okay, so this is the first one. Just a braid, nothing serious. I'm gonna move on to the second section of hair and do the same thing. Okay, so I just finished my second braid. This is what they're looking like. They're full of product right now, but it'll absorb. Okay guys, so these are my 4 braids all complete. It's very simple and some of the braids still have product in them, so that's why they look white, but it will absorb as the night goes on, so no worries. And this is the top view. So as you can see, this is a pretty simple style and I'm gonna rock it all week because I have clinicals this week and I just need to be chilling. So it's around 9 o'clock at night, so I'm actually about to go to bed. So since my braids obviously still have to dry because they have all this product in them, I'm going to bobby pin them up so they'll dry in a stretched position versus shrinking throughout the night and I wake up and my braids are this small. So I'm going to pin them up ever so carefully so I don't mess up the braids. So now that they're all pinned up, the last step is to tie it down with a scarf. You guys already know, you gotta protect these protective styles. So with that being said, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, definitely leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!